Welcome to the world of Forex trading. Today, we're diving into a crucial concept called Forex signals. So, what exactly is a Forex signal? It's a recommendation to place a trade in your trading account based on the analysis of an expert known as a signal provider. There are different types of Forex signals. The first type is a signal to buy or sell at the current market price, often called CMP. When you receive this type of signal, you execute the trade instantly, whether it's a buy or a sell. Each signal comes with important parameters: 1. The stop-loss price, SL, to minimize your risk, and 2. The take-profit price, TP, to secure your gains. The second type involves pending orders, which can be limit orders or stop orders. In this case, you wait for the market to reach a specific price level before executing your trade. This signal type also includes the entry price, stop-loss price, and take-profit price. Sometimes, your signal provider will also indicate the level of risk associated with the trade, along with the signal quality. It's essential to remember that when placing trades based on signals, proper risk management is crucial to protect your capital. At Emerge Trading, we offer accurate Forex signals to help you succeed in your trading journey. To join our community and gain access to these valuable signals, visit www.emergetrading.com. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!